ask some questions. So, who did create the movie The Three Little Friends? So, The Three Little Friends was originally created by me, but Louis, our playmate, grade 7, actually directed it, not me, because I was the sheriff. So, another is what is the role of Budang in The Three Friends? I was the role of saying the English words to the sheriff, and finding David. I was saying English words to the sheriff and Jacob and David. And so the three friends, my friends, their name is Athena and Jacob. So the cast is us, me, the sheriff or the officer, police, and this is kind of like the main character, the second main character, because she was one of the friends in the Three Friends whole film. And the rest of the cast is Athena, Wendy, Daniel, Gabriel, Alicia, which is my sister, me, Francis Emmanuel Aquino, Nita, and then the director, Luis and Daniel. So, later we will ask them also questions about the three friends. Yeah. So I was the English girl that always say the English word because we are Filipino and like they don't know English, so I help them so they can speak English. So like that. And I am the one who said we can't find them anymore, they're dead. And she was the one that said the title, and this is why Luis was the director instead of me. Because Luis said it's much easier to be the cameraman or director than to be the actor. Yeah. So, like, do you remember guys when David was found? Yes. And David, when we found David, when I was like, David, I feel like something, I swallowed something and it's stuck here. I drank water and I discovered it was my phlegma. And when in that scene also, when David kind of like stand up or woke up, I like the thing that he whispered to me and then catch my gun and then shot me. Well, in that scene, after that scene, my hand was actually kind of hurt because the rocks, there are like zigzag like spikes. So when the palm of my hand touch it, it hurts. Well, I am okay now. So guys, this is what I got in that short film.
The three
I trip because when we ran, I trip, and you did not witness it, guys. And one of our class is actually Josh, the one with David, the other bully. And you saw that he actually seen me kill Oof David. So that's why he disappeared from the short film later, because I kind of like Oof him also. So it's my turn now. This is so. Do you remember that scene when I said no? That was my child voice. Right, Francis?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the end. So, this was the cast of the... Bye-bye.